Guys, Andrew here and welcome back to Drew Tutorial. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily assign a task to a Trello member. So if you're inside Trello and you're working with various cards or whatever, right, you can simply go ahead and assign the task to a specific person. So let me go ahead and open up, for example, this test one here. And once you open up this card, you can see on the right hand side that it shows the option that says members. I can click on this and here you can see that this is the board member and this is a workspace member, right? So I can simply go ahead and add this person here to it. So you can see right now that as soon as I added this person here to this particular board or this card, you can see here that they're now added. So this person now have access to it. Now I'm going to switch over to the second account here, guys, so that you can see what happens. Now you can see that on that specific card, if I go back to my email as well, you can see that this person will show that they have been invited to that specific board. So you invite the person to a workspace and you also invite the person to a specific board. And now they can easily go ahead and go to the board and they can work with it and so forth. So that's it. That's how you go ahead and invite a person to a board, guys, in Trello. Very easy and very simple.